Hi, welcome to the video tutorial on how to add OSI affiliate app to your Ecwid store. To do this, just click on the Get button and log into your Ecwid account. You'll be taken to the setup wizard wherein in step 1, you need to come up with a program name for your referral program. The program name and the description of your referral program will only be visible to your users or your affiliate users. Once done, just click on Next. Please note that all changes that you're making in the quick setup are something that you can modify later on as you complete it. For step 2, this is where you will upload a logo for the sign up page, and the sign up page will be hosted by us, and this is where your affiliates will be able to register to have access to their dashboard and start promoting your business. As you can see, you'll be able to upload a logo, create a heading, the subheading, and also the page text. To modify the form, you'll be able to do that later on once you've completed the sign up process. OSI affiliate software also allows you to share on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So this is an affiliate facing modification. So any changes that you will do here will just reflect on your affiliate dashboard. In order for Facebook and Twitter to display correctly, please add the meta code on your web page for it to be more visually appealing. This section identifies the commission on how you would like to pay your affiliates. You have the option to pay them with money or with something other than money like a store credit, a gift certificate, or any token that you desire. If you decide to pay them with money, you also have the option to pay them a percentage of the sale or a flat fee. Now click on Take Me to my OmniStar or OSI affiliate dashboard and click on Configure Sign Up Page. Copy the URL of the sign up page and go to your Ecwid account and click on Catalog and select Categories. In the description page, put the affiliate link and link the URL that you copied from OSI. This will allow your visitors to sign up directly from your website. And that's how you add OSI affiliate software app to your Ecwid account. Thanks for watching.